right. In this section, we'll be looking at direction cosines of a vector. The direction cosines of a vector. You know, the direction cosines of a vector are the angle um, the resultant vector makes with the unit vectors themselves. I take that again. So, given that the modulus or the magnitude of the vector u is this, I gave you that formula in previous section. The direction of the vector u represents the resultant of the unit vectors along x, y, and z in this what diagram. Yes, please take note of that. It represents the resultant of the unit vectors along x, y, and z um, axis. So, if the angles are represented by alpha, that is the angle O, that is origin, from the origin here, OU mixed with what x is alpha. Can you see the arc? That's the red arc. Can you see that, class? That's alpha. And the angle OU makes with what z axis. That's what beta. Can you see that green arc? That's beta. That's the angle OU makes with what OZ, OY rather, OY. Then the angle OU makes with OZ is gamma. Can you see that pink arc representing gamma? So these are the angles the resultant vector OU makes with what the unit vectors of OX, OY, and OZ respectively. So the direction cosines of each of these unit vector is given as cos alpha equals x over what the magnitude of u, which is this. Cos beta equals y over the magnitude of what u. Then cos is cos gamma equals z over the magnitude of u, which is what this. Can you see that now? We are talking about the unit vector itself over the magnitude of what the vector. So um, where x, y, and z are what set of real numbers? They are real numbers, right? So we are going to see how in subsequent classes I'm going to give you examples, be showing you examples on how to apply some of these things. So this is just an explanation or an exploratory part of the what class. All right, thank you for your time.